I'm Kyle Spilker from DeWitt, Nebraska. We raise corn and soybeans. We farm about 500 acres and 95% of it is pivot irrigated. The only product we use is the Reflex Connect, and we use that for chemigating, fertigating. We apply, of course, fertilizer, insecticides, and fungicides. What I like about this is that you can see what's happening on your computer, or you can even do it on your phone, but you'll get notifications if something's not working right. You can see exactly how many gallons per hour is putting on, and the comfort level with that is a lot higher than what it is with a manual machine where you set it and walk away. And if something does go wrong, we get alarms on our phone that something's gone wrong, so we can address those problems immediately. I would highly recommend the Agri-Inject. You have a lot more comfort knowing that you're getting on what you're supposed to be getting on. This has been a very reliable product. I really haven't had any trouble with it. If I have had something that goes wrong, it's usually me not knowing exactly how the product works. So I call into tech support, and they've been very good about explaining how it works, what I need to do, and they don't cut you short. They'll spend as much time on the phone with you as you need to understand it. One of the features that I like is it'll put on from 3 gallon per hour up to 110 gallon per hour. So if you are putting on insecticide or chemical, you can go with those lower rates if you want to. And if you're putting fertilizer on, you could go way up to 100 gallon, 110 gallon per hour if you need to. This unit has its own 110 gallon tank, but if you need a larger capacity, we've got it hooked into a larger tank here on the nurse trailer. Once we have it set up, we can walk away and be pretty confident that it's going to do what it needs to do. We don't have to come and babysit it every half hour or every hour. If we're curious what it's doing, we can go to the office and look on the computer, and if we've got it set for 41 gallon per hour, we look on the computer and it's usually putting on 41 gallon per hour. Reflex Connect has a flow meter on it, and it is very accurate. It also has a calibration tube. You should check that from time to time to make sure you're putting on what you need to, but what I found out is with that flow meter on there, it is very reliable, very accurate. The Reflex Connect has a flow match feature on it, so if I set it for 45 gallon per acre, it tells me where to set the pump. You set it from 0 to 100%. And once we do that manual setting, it is on a VFD drive, and it'll adjust the speed of that motor to adjust the speed of that pump, so it gets on exactly what you're looking to get on. One of the reasons we bought this is down the road we hope to go to variable rate application, and I didn't want to buy a unit and then down the road have to buy another one. So if we go to variable rate application with our pivots, this will do it.